Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you this great streaming application that provides hundreds, if not thousands, of movies and TV shows that you can access on any Firestick, Fire TV device, Android TV boxes, Roku, phones, tablets, and any internet connected device. Guys, in this example, I'm using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max. But this tutorial will work with any variation of the Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Android TV device, phones, tablets, and more. So guys, this application is actually YouTube. Now you may be thinking to yourself, well, YouTube, they probably don't have anything, right? Well, actually, YouTube has come a long way here in terms of adding, thousands of titles to their content library. So guys, as I first launch, you'll notice right away, I'm not even signed in. So as I come up here, it's prompting me to sign in. It says you're signed out. But the benefit here is if I scroll over to the left on movies and TV, and you can browse through the great options here that are free on YouTube. So if I click free with ads, you'll notice all the different options that are completely free to stream. Sherlock Holmes, The Hunger Games, Day After Tomorrow, and just some other excellent titles here. So I'll look at some of these categories: animation, comedy, drama, documentaries, some pretty notable documentaries here, family, horror, romance, and just various other categories. And guys, YouTube is just continuing to add more great titles to their library as they expand it. And the reason they're able to do this, obviously, is it says free with ads. So there are ads during playback, but that's how they are able to keep this content verified and free. Now, as you'll see here, you can also purchase titles. So here it says buy or rent, buy or rent. So some of these newer titles, Mario Bros, Little Mermaid, Fast X, some of these titles that just came out of theaters or are newer, you'll notice you do have to buy or rent these, as you would expect. But guys, one important thing I want to mention is that if you are not located inside the United States, you will not be able to see the same content that I am seeing here in this video tutorial. So guys, as you'll see, I am connected to a VPN, to Surfshark VPN, in a Kansas City server, which is located obviously in the United States. And I'm going to show you here what I mean by this. So if I search for a server in the United Kingdom, for example, so I'm going to click UK. I'm going to go ahead and connect to the London server, just as an example. So as I'm doing that, I also need to force close YouTube to kind of clear the cache and data that's already in there. So as you'll see, I'm connected to a UK server. And as I scroll to the right here, I'm going to go ahead and force close the YouTube application. So manage installed applications. Find YouTube in my list here. I'm going to click that. I'm going to force stop it. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and launch the YouTube application again. And guys, keep in mind, I am connected to a server in the United Kingdom now. So as I scroll over to the left on movies and TV, you'll notice right away how this content library is completely different. Not only is there just less content, but there are just also different titles. So obviously, as I scroll down, you'll see, we're on the option to buy or rent. There looks like there's not as much free content here as I'm connected to a UK server. And I would assume that this is the same on any other servers in Europe or just outside of the United States. But then I'm going to show you again here. I'm going to connect back to a United States server and just show you the difference. So I'm going to disconnect. Let's see here. I'm going to connect to a US server. So I'm going to type in US. We'll just go ahead and connect to Las Vegas. And now we're connected to Las Vegas. I'm going to come down and force close YouTube again. Force stop. Launch the application. Let it boot up. And then you should notice we are back to the content that I was showing towards the beginning of this video. So I'm going to come over to the left, click movies and TV shows, scroll over to the right, and as you'll see right here, we have a free with ads option. So if I click that, you'll notice instantly that these were not the same titles as when I was connected to the UK server. So guys, being connected to a server in the United States, if you are not located in the United States, will give you access to hundreds of these free movies on the YouTube application. So that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Again, this is Bodie. Appreciate you all watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.